Hey guys, Davin here at brewbits.com. Now you might remember a fair few months back I made a ginger beer cider using a jumbo cider kit and a very old can of Cooper's ginger beer. Well, the Cooper's ginger beer is gone, otherwise I'll be showing you that. So it's about time, I suppose, I did a taste test with you guys. Now, I know what it tastes like because after we bottled it, I've been drinking it pretty much regularly. And this one's absolutely delicious. It's cloudy. My only regret on this one is I suppose I didn't put enough priming sugar in. And so it's not as fizzy as I'd hoped. There's a fizz to it, but it's very, very gentle. And I was hoping for a bit more fizz. Okay. It's also got a viscosity to it, a thickness to it. And I think that is also because of the age of the old Cooper's ginger beer kit. But as soon as you start pouring it, you get this cracking smell of ginger. You also get this lovely aromatics of cider, apples coming up. And you also kind of get, because that ginger beer was made with malt extract, you kind of get this maltiness coming through as well. It's kind of a lovely three ingredient marriage: ginger, beer and cider as well. And the smell is just lovely. It's ginger, it's cider, it's just rich. It's almost like, it's like you made banoffee pie but dropped the bananas out and made it with ginger instead. That is a great idea. Anyway, it's smooth, it's crisp, it's unbelievably refreshing. You got the lightness of the cider, the maltiness of the ginger beer giving it a lovely smoothness, and you've got this gentle little warmth in the background going, I'm Ginger, hello, I'm here. Now this is cold, I've taken it out of the fridge. This is absolutely delicious cold. However, a couple of weeks ago, I had a bit of a cold, and so I took a bottle of this, put it in a pan in the hob, warmed it up, and then I proceeded to drink a bottle of this with a really heavy cold over the course of an hour with really lovely hot ginger cider. It cleared my nose, it cleared my head, and I went to bed pretty happy. Unfortunately though, the ginger beer kit made by Cooper's is no longer available. So I've been saying to you guys that you can make it with the Simply Ginger Beer Kit. And so I haven't made it with the Simply Ginger Beer Kit yet. I'm still getting through my Cooper's Jumbo Cider Ginger Beer cider. And I'm starting to run out. So guess what I'm going to have to do? Because I really, really like this. This is now my new favourite drink to drink. I'm going to have to make a new one of this. So I will create a new video soon with the Jumbo Cider and the Simply Ginger Beer Kit. And then we'll do another taste test and let you know. But for now, if you've made this combination, down in the comments below, let me know how yours turned out, whether you enjoyed it, any changes you would make. But for now, I'm going to enjoy the rest of my Cooper's ginger cider beer, ginger beer cider. Anyway, whatever we're going to call it, cheers and happy brewing.